Now let's talk about the different scope of the IoT. What are the scope of the IoT? That with the help of IoT, what are the things that we can do or we can fulfill? So the Internet of Things can connect device embedded in various systems in the internet. When devices object can represent themselves digitally, they can be controlled from anywhere. The connectivity then help us capture more data from more places, ensuring more way of increasing efficiency and improve safety and IoT security. Now, in this is, I think, again, the repetition of what we have seen in the last class. So it says that it is nothing but is a connected devices embedded with various system in the internet. These devices or object can represent themselves digitally. They can control from anywhere, right? Means we can control it remotely from anywhere. The connectivity that help us to capture data from more places ensure more way of increasing efficiency and improve safety and IoT security. Uh, so here we are talking about the scope of the IoT. What is the scope of the IoT? What it can perform and what it can do. So here it is written everything that what it can do. IoT is a transformational force that can help companies to improve performance through IoT analytics and IoT security to deliver better results. So yeah, it is nowadays it is a reality. We are talking about Industry 4.0. We are talking about industrial Internet of Things, and Internet of Things are really helping these companies to improve their performance um, by improving the productivity of the product and by making all the process automated can analyze all the data uh, that in the industry is generating in different ways. So yeah, with the help of that we can improve the um, efficiency of those industry or of those companies, as well as we can reduce the cost. Now, business in utility, oil, gas, insurance, manufacturing, transport, infrastructure, and retail sector can take benefit of IoT by making more informed decision added by uh, the torrent of interactional and transactional data at their disposal. So it says that there are different areas, right? Utility, oil, gas, infrastructure, manufacturing, transport, insurance, retail sectors. All these sectors can be benefited by this particular technology and can improve their efficiency in the business, improve their um, day-to-day work by using the IoT. How IoT can help? So IoT platform can help organization to reduce costs through improved process efficiency, asset utilization, and productivity. With improved tracking of device object using sensors and connectivity, they can benefit from real-time insight and analytics, which would help them make smart decisions. The growth and convergence of data, processes, and things on the internet would make such connections more relevant and important, creating more opportunity for people, business, and industry. So it says that there are many ways how IoT can help. See, IoT is not only for the automation purpose, right? As I told you in the my first class, that it is not like we are making anything automated. It is beyond that. The data that is generating, the process that will apply into the data, the results that we are getting from the data, all those things are helping the the industry, the people, um, the manufacturer for um, taking good decisions and taking beneficial decisions for their business.